Hello there. Welcome back to Financial Accounting Info. In this video, we are to look at the preparation of the membership fees account. And remember, a membership fees account is an income account. So we are just going to use the approach of preparing an income account in terms of the placing of the accruals BD, that is accruals balance that are given in the beginning of the period, and then also the in advance balance, that is the prepayment balance at the beginning of the period. Remember, we have to know the sides where we put those balances, and also respectively the balance at the end also should we should know where to place them. So this is the question that we have, and the question reads: the information given below was extracted from the books of Southern Sports Club on 30 June 2015. So on the required part, we are going to only concentrate on the first part, which is on the preparation of the membership fees account, and it reads and draw up the membership fees account in the general ledger. And first point is saying close off this account on 30 June 2015. So balance, basically what it means is we are going to balance it after making the entries. Then we this question has got 9 marks. So we go down to our question. We are given information. The following balances or totals, amongst others, appeared in the books on 1 July 2014. Then I will give a list of balances that we are given there. That is at the beginning of the period. So that's where we are going to take our balance BDs, that is balance at the beginning. Then I believe that we are given information B, which reads statement of receipts and payments as at 30 June 2015. This is an extract, and then we've got a receipts on the debit side, and then we've got payments on the credit side. So we go to the next page to see what we have. If you go to the next page, you will see that you now have information C, which is the additional information adjustments. So that's where we're going to get the additional information that are going to help us in terms of the entries in the membership fees account. So you need to go through each and every additional information that you are given there in point form, and then you then answer the question. So the entries that are there in the additional information are going to help us adjust the membership fees account. So we go to our answer section. So if you go to our answer section, you see that we have got the membership fees account. Here is the membership fees account that is already prepared. So what is important is for you to know where to place the accruals at the beginning and the in advance at the beginning. So, but basically, membership fees account is an income account. So, or for all incomes account, we should know where do we place those opening balance and closing balances. But we know that for uh, for an income account, in accruals at the beginning, accrual balance at the beginning, it comes on the debit side. And we know that in advance at the beginning will come on the credit side. Then the opposite is true. So we are saying in advance at the end come on the debit side. And then accruals at the end will come on the credit side. So this one at the beginning, this one that we are given at the beginning will be the BD, the balance BD. And then obviously these ones we are saying they will appear as balance CD. So this is what we have. So we just have to take note of that. So we can now go and try to pick those balances that we're having at the beginning and try to place it where they should go. So let's go to the question and just try to see all the list of balances that were given at the beginning of the year. So if you come here, you see that these are the balances that were given at the beginning of the year. So it reads the following balance or totals amongst others appeared in the books on 1 July 2014, and that's where the year is starting. Remember, our year is ending on 30 June 2015. So here is these are the opening balances. So basically, we are saying we are having our opening balances in this table. So we go down to check balances of the membership fees. We have got this one, income received in advance. So this is in advance at the beginning, and we said it should be on the credit side, 1,600. And also we've got accrued income, which is the name of membership fees, which is gain accrued at the beginning, which is we should be on the debit side, and we're having 1,000. So we are just going to the answer section and enter those figures. We are starting with the debit side. So remember the dates we are saying 2014. And at the beginning, it's July 1. And we are saying, this is going to be our accrued income, and we are having 1,000. And again, the date we are saying, we are having again an opening balance on the debt side, 2014, July 1. And also we are saying this one is now income received in advance. And we are having an amount of 1,600. So we are saying 1,600. So this is what we have. And then from there now, we can go to the receipts and payments account to find out the membership fees that we received that we need to credit in the membership fees account. Remember, these membership fees are the ones that we received during the period that are under the receipts. And we are having three of them, whereby 2014, we are having 800, 2015, 24,000, 2016, 600. So we are just going to go to the credit side and enter them as such there. Remember, the double entry involved with this membership fees is that we are receiving money as a business. Sorry, we are receiving money. So we are going to debit the bank account, and then we credit the membership fees account. So this is simply the double entry that is involved there. We go down. Now the date that is applying for the other entries that are going to come beneath now is going to be now 2015 June 30, where the year is ending. So all the entries will be for 2015 June 30. So we are saying we are going to say bank. And remember, we have got 20, 14, 2015, and 2016. And the amounts that we've got 824,600. 824,000, and we have got 600. So we can go back there to check other entries. Right. On other entries now, we now go to additional information. That's where we're going to get other entries that needs to be adjusted in the membership fees account. So we can go item by item, trying to see what is affecting our membership fees account. Let's try to go down, checking those. Let's start with this point, which is saying membership fees outstanding for 2014 must be written off. So let's try to find out which membership fees are outstanding for 2014. Remember 2014, we are saying the membership fees outstanding for 2014. We can just check there. These are the balances for 2014, and the membership fees that are outstanding are the accrued income, which is 1,000. This is the one that is outstanding. Then we check what was paid from that was outstanding. We get it in the receipts and payments account. We see that out of the 1,000, only 800 was paid for 2014 year. So it means we have 1,000 minus 800 not yet paid, which is going to be our 200. So this is the amount that is still outstanding, and it's being said must be written off. So this is the one that we are going to regard as membership fees written off 200. So obviously, when we are writing off, we are supposed to credit the membership fees account. So we go to the other section, and we are saying membership fees written off. And the amount that we have there is 200. So this is what we gave. And then we try to find out again any other entry that is affecting our membership fees account. And obviously, we are going to go to the question again and try to find out in additional information in other entry that we can regard as part of our membership fees account. So we after membership fees outstanding, we go again. So we have at the next point again, which is saying here, which is saying 4 members must still pay their membership fees for 2015. Fees are 200 rands per member per year. So what does it mean? It means we have got 4 members that are still outstanding. So this is an accrual of membership fees, whereby we are saying 4 members, each one paying 200. So if you say 4 times 200, you get your 800. So the outstanding one is 800. So this is the accrual at the end. And remember, we summarized that where we should place those balances. So if you come here, you see that according to our analysis here, accruals at the end is here, which we should place on the credit side. So we go to the credit side of the membership fees account, and we are saying membership fees, and this in the form of our accrued income. So we can just say accrued income, and we are saying it's 800. So this is what we have. Then we can go back to the question to try to see what else can we adjust there. Then you go to the next one, borrowed 18,000 rands on 30 June 2015 from FNB are not relevant. And then you go to the last one, which is saying the secretary's own, which is not also applicable to our membership fees. So we are supposed to check another. Remember, we are also supposed to have our membership fees in advance at the end. So we can only get that one in the assistant payments account. So if you come here, you see that we have membership fees that we received for 2014, it was 800. Then the period that we are is for the year ending 2015, which is 24,000, which is relevant. But for 2016, it doesn't belong to this period, this one. We received membership fees for 2016, whereas we are still in 2015. So it means it's an income received in advance. So 600 is the in advance at the end. So we come here. You see that advance at the end is here. It comes on the debit side. So we come there on the our membership fees account and indicate that one. We are saying it's income received in advance on the debit side. So remember, all the entries that are going to follow is for 2015, 2015 June date. So we are saying income received in advance, and the amount that we are having there is 600. Then from there, we can now balance our account now. So what are we saying? We are saying the balance that we are going to find there, we are supposed to transfer it to the income and expenditure account, whether it's on the credit or debit. But if you add the total of the debit and credit, you're going to see that the credit side has got a greater total with 28,000 being the total. So this is the one that is going to come in between the double lines. So we are saying our total of the credit is the greater total with 28,000, and it's supposed to come both sides in between the double lines. Then if you say 28,000 minus 600 minus 1,000 to get the balancing figure, you get it as 26,000, 26,400. And this balance is the one that is supposed to be transferred to the income and expenditure account. So here we are saying income, and expenditure. So this is what we have. So this is the balance that we are going to go to the credit side of the income and expenditure and put our 26,500. Remember, all incomes in the income and expenditure account will go to the credit side, then all expenditures will go to the debit side. So basically, this is what we have. So what can we call about this figure that we're having at 26,400 there? Since we are saying it's going to the credit side. So it's going to be, we can call it our excess. We can just call it, it's an income. It's an income. This one is an income. So, but if the balance was on the credit side, we are going to say it's an expenditure because it will be transferred to the debit side of the income and expenditure account. So this is what we have, guys, according to this video. Let's stay tuned for more videos to come. As for this video, I'm out.